Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing you how to set up a proof using the flyer template. So again, you're going to want to have the order open that you're working on, which is going to be a flyer order. And what we're going to do first is we are going to go down into the design notes. This is going to tell us what we need to do. So this is telling us to pick up from order 9071 product 2, front only. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to CB orders on the farm, and we are going to find order 9071. So just click on any of those folders once and then type in 9071 or whatever the order number is that you're trying to pull up. And so if we go into the work files within here, we could find the product 2 that's referenced. There may be multiple versions of that product depending on the revision. So you're going to, if there were, you could check the production files and see which revision was the printed file, and that's the one that you want to open. We don't want to proof out artwork that went through the revision process. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and open with Illustrator. And we only want side 1, front only. So we're going to select it like so. We're going to group it, which is Control G, and then we're going to copy it, which is Control C. Now we're going to go back into our template tab and we're going to paste it with Control V. And from here we can center it using our alignment tools. So we're going to center horizontal, center vertical. So that looks pretty good. That's what the customer's looking for. So now we need to generate the proof in the working file. So we're going to do Control-Alt-E to export for screens. And we need to make sure that we have our artboard selected, which we do. And we're going to go to this folder right here to choose where it's saving to. So again, we're going to go back to Corebridge orders, and we're going to create a folder for this 10577. If there was files that were being provided, it would already exist. But since there was nothing provided on this, it's not going to exist. So we're going to copy this top folder here, this copy new orders, and we're going to right click and paste it in. And then we're going to click into it once and rename it 10577. And we're going to double click to jump in. We're also going to double click into work files, hit select folder, and we need a PDF and we also need a JPEG. So if both of those options aren't showing up down here in formats, click add scale. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this PNG to a JPEG, delete the suffix, and the width, we have a standard width on our proofs, which is 2400 pixels. So once you've done that, go ahead and click export artboard. You can see it working here. And a window will populate, and that's going to show you that there's a PDF in there, which is our working file, and the JPEG proof. There they are. So now at this point, we're going to upload the proof. So back in Corebridge, we're going to choose File, and we're going to locate the folder that we just created, go into the working files, and grab just the JPEG. At this point, upload proof. And now we're going to change the product status to awaiting proof approval. Now, if there were multiple products on this, we would proof out all of the products at the same time. So we would go down the product list, and once we got to the last product, that's when we'd shoot out the proof email. That way the customer's not getting 10 different emails for the same job. So since this is the only product in the order, we're going to go ahead and click this mail icon here, and we're going to CC the salesperson. The salesperson on this is Barb, which is located right here. So if you just start typing in her name, it should populate. Go ahead and click on it. And at this point, we could hit send. And now we wait for either revision notes or proof approval. Thanks for watching.